Hi, you. Hi. Hi. Why don't you guys go inside where it's cooler? So, because all the people are out here, that's why. Do you have the air curtain on?
Yeah.
Good. I think that's Jack licking my legs. Yep, how did I guess?
Oh, Jack.
Jack always licks my legs. You're a silly boy. Why don't we go inside, guys?
Seriously.
Make sure those bowls are full all the time, please. Much cooler in here, guys. Hi. Hey, you under the chair. Hey, careful. Hi, sweetheart. Go inside where it's cooler. And don't be afraid to miss these dogs off with the hose.
Oh, yeah. That's just right down.
Yeah. Hi, you. What? Somebody out there? Hi. Hi, pretty girl with the bows in your hair. Hi, Jack. Okay, guys. Have a good day.